Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can disable editing on Google Sheets mobile. Alright guys, first of all, select your Google Sheets file that you want to disable the editing. And for example, I'm going to select this file, so we can tap on this three dots button on the file. Then we can click on Manage Access. And if you want to disable the editing, you are going to change the general access. And as you can see now, anyone on the internet with the link can edit this Google Sheets file. So we're going to change the setting. We can select on we can tap on the editor. Then if you want to disable the editing, you can select the viewer, so anyone with the link can only view this document. Or you can also change the general access from anyone with the link to restricted, so you can just tap on anyone with the link right here. Then you can select restricted, so only people edit can open with the link. Alright guys, and that's how we can disable editing on Google Sheets mobile. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next video.